Okay, so we are going to try to cover a review of just about everything that we learned in the first term about sets and union and intersection and knot and difference and cardinality and maybe what kind of sets they are. So I'm going to start by let me see how big my that is way too big. Got to choose my brush. Sorry about this. My brush size from 51. Okay. Should be better. Let's try that. Yeah. Okay, so first of all, we know the universal set is letters of the English alphabet. So let me go ahead and write that out specifically. That's going to be A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Close. Okay. Yeah, got a lot of space over here. Like no space over here. So our first question is about A union B union C. Not. So it's not this A union B union C. And that A union B union C is all of A, all of B, all of C, like that. So it's all of that stuff, and then not will be everything that's out here. So I'm going to go through and I'm going to figure out which ones of these I have and which ones I don't have. So I'm just going to go through. Let's see, I have A, C, and E here. So there's A, there's C, there's E, E and Y, E and Y. Anything that's left over will be out here. U, O, V, W, G, U, O, V, W, E. This takes a while. X and L. Not difficult, just kind of take some time. J and S. J and S. And K, D, Z. K and D and Z. E, B, I. E and I and T. So what do I have left here? I have A, B, C, D, E. I have F out here. G. I have H out here. J. Oh no, I don't have J. M and M. M and N. O, P, Q and R. I have an R. Huh. Q and R. S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So these are the letters that are outside over here. So that's going to be my answer for this one. It's going to be F, H, M, N, Q, and R. So that's my answer here. It's everything that's outside the union of all three. So next I have B not union C. Let's see what we got. Not B is everything out here. And union with C, so that's all of C2. So that's basically everything except this stuff over here. So I'm not going to have that. So this is going to be, I'm going to put this in red because it's going to get close to these other. A, yeah, B, C, D is over here. E, F, G, H, there's I down there, let's see, so then J, K is here, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, I have the T over here, U, U, V, W, X, Y, and I have Z down here. So that is everything that is not in B or is in C. So this is the stuff that is in B that is not in C. Okay. C not union with C, the complement of C, union with the complement of C. You'll see C complement written with a C there too. Okay. So let's see, what is C not? That's all this stuff here, but not anything in there. Okay. Union with itself, what does that mean? That's the same thing. So so let's see. So we have everything that's not in Z. So that means, let's see. I'm not going to write them in order, okay? Because that's going to be too difficult. So I'm just going to start writing over here. All this stuff is outside of any set, so that's definitely it. And then this is outside C, not C. C, A, and this is outside C. Now that's the that's part of the complement, and then this is outside C, so it's part of the A, B, Z, E, B, and I. And it doesn't matter if it's in order or not because sets don't care about order. Okay? And B not union A. Let's see, everything that's not in B and is A, so everything that's in here. So it's going to have all the stuff that's not A plus this P and Y. So let me go ahead and write this out. A lot of this is going to be the same. F, H, M, N, Q, R, C, E, A, not B, right? So I'm worried about this stuff that's outside here. U, O, V, W, G, U, O, V, W, G, X and L, and the stuff that's in A but also in B's here, so and Y, E and Y. Okay. Next, C intersect the complement of C. So C and everything outside of C, what's the common elements? And it's nothing, or we could write it this way. Do not do this. Do not do that. Okay. B intersect B. Well, that's just the same as B. B, what elements are in common between B and B? Well, they're B. So what is B? Let's start over here. That's P, Y, J, S, A, D, Z, T, E, I. Okay. A naught intersect with C naught. Let's see, I want to change my color here, so I'm going to go off. A naught will be everything outside A intersects with everything outside C. So that is basically everything outside A and C. Okay. Everything that's not A intersecting with everything that's not C. So that's everything outside those two. So what is that? Everything outside these two. So I've got basically this one and that one over there. So that's going to be F, H, M, N, Q, and R, K, D, Z, T, E, and I. That B intersect with not C. So this is B and not C is out here. So it's really just this stuff right here, B intersect with not C. We had B intersect union C before, right? But now we have B intersect not C. So this is B and not C. Everything outside of B that is inside C is going to be KDZ. KDZ, T, B, and I. All right. Not A intersected with not A. That, of course, is going to be everything outside of A intersected with everything outside of A. So it's everything outside of A. So we're going to start with this stuff over here. Stuff outside of everything over here. F, H, M, N, Q, and R. Not A. So it could be in this part of C. In C, but not in A. XL, JS. Or part of B, but not in A is the stuff over here. Seeing that a lot. Excuse me. Okay. Almost done here. So this over here means the cardinality. The cardinality is the number. How many? And we can write it that way or that way. I see this a lot in America, and this is what Thailand uses here. So for your own egg, you have to put that in. That's the same as N B minus B naught. So it's C, and then take away everything that's not in B. So not in B, we'll take away all that, and that leaves us this Y, J, and S, and we just want to know the number. So how many is that? The number is 3, the number of elements. So we'll count the elements. 1, 2, 3. That's called the cardinality. All right. P of 8. Wow, this one's power set of A. Not really something we can do here because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that's going to be 2 to the 10 elements, which is, what is that? 16 times 16 times 4. Is that 1,028? Is that right? No, that's way too low. It's going to be more than that. So 2 to the 10th. 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128, 256, 512. Oh, it is. It's 1,028. So we can't write out 1,028 subsets here. So that's definitely not a good problem. So let me make this a little bit easier here. Let's change this problem up. So if it's A intersect with B, how about if it's the power set of A intersect B? Well, then we've only got intersect B, we've only got 2, and then this is going to be 2 squared or 4. We've got 2 to how many elements we have? We only have 4 subsets here. What are the subsets? Of course, we've got the empty set, and then we've got all of them with 1. So let's see, there's P, the set of P, and the set of Y, and the set of P and Y. That's all we've got for our power set. All the subsets, there are 4 subsets of that. So I hope that that helped, that little review showing you how to work through a lot of these problems. And I will give you guys some similar ones to work on.